GM and welcome to a new video. This is mainnet week 22 of the Abstract ecosystem. We got a lot of updates because I've been on vacation for 2 weeks, so we got a lot of things to cover in this update here. There's a new Flashbadge. We're gonna cover this throughout the video, but as I said, there's lots of updates here, so let's go through all of them so I don't take up too much of your time. As always, all the links are down in the description. This here is the Abstract portal. I got a complete guide on how to set everything up. I will link it up here and also put it down in the description. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to not miss any of those usually weekly updates on Abstract. Let's go. One update that we have that Cigar posted about, the bar charts are coming to the Abstract portal, trading flow soon. So this is very good for everyone that has been trading in the Abstract portal. You can do this here. If you go to the Abstract portal, go to trade, and then you can click on show chart. And right now there is no bar chart, but soon you'll be able to toggle this on. So this is one of the updates that I wanted to talk about. Now, there's a new flash badge. This flash badge is live on the portal. Claim yours by going to visit Sugartown and burning an energy card. If you don't know how to do this, I got you covered in this video here. The World Series of Abstract starts now, how to register, burn and play in Sugartown. So in this video here, I explain in detail how to burn this energy card, how to get one. So everything is explained in this video. I will link it up here as well. And if you follow along, then you will be able to claim this badge here. If you have been following along and have done everything as I show it in here, you should, as I am now, be able to claim this badge. This is the rewards section, Sugar Town Burn Badge. This badge is awarded to those who burn an energy card in Sugar Town. You can click here on claim now then, and then redeem badge. Boom, that's it. As I explained in the previous videos, this will give you 150 experience points guaranteed in this week. All right, that's how to claim the newest Sugar Town badge. Then we have the second drop of the In the Moment series coming up. This is on the weekend, on the coming weekend, July 4th till 6th, 2 drops per day. Grab 6 free new iconic moments featuring guest artist Timpers. And I like this one very much. He's a super nice guy. He's the co-founder of Chimpers and also 0009.eth. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. Make sure to follow the official Abstract account, and then you will see how to claim this one. I also covered this in one of the previous videos. I will link it up here as well on how to claim the In the Moment badges. So be ready to claim all of those on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. You can claim them just for free. This will probably give you experience points, and also I'm very sure that this will give you another flash badge. So make sure to collect all of them. Probably there will be some time afterwards to claim them through social rewards. We've seen this with the previous drop. But yeah, the next drop is coming up, so be ready to claim all of those on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's super easy. It's free mints, and since Abstract is in layer 2, it doesn't cost you a lot. Then there's been a double experience points day because of NFT NYC. I should have been a speaker there, but I wasn't able to go because I've got the vacation planned a long time ago. But Abstract and OpenSea teamed up for double experience points together with Sugartown, Rio Studios, Moonsheepverse, and Rec Drinks. And if you attended and also if you did some tasks throughout this weekend, then you were able to get double experience points. Also, there's been some voyages on this where you needed to create a gallery, for example, that gets you a lot of experience points for both OpenSea and Abstract. So if you did this, you will probably see a lot more experience points here in the portal for this week. Next thing I wanted to cover is I got this 8 free airdrops to farm in June 2025 video here. Make sure to check this one out. There's lots of options in there. Of course, there's also Abstract in here that I'm covering. So make sure to check out this video here where I explain this. As you can see here, this was recorded at the time where we had the In the Moment Monaco badge, which was the first drop. And If you own an on-chain hero, fishing voyages are now live. Heroes without weapons can now set sail. Just click the fishing boat next to the fisher cat in the lobby to begin your journey. So if you own an on-chain hero, you know now that you can start with the fishing voyages. Apart from that, the Abstract account has been hacked in the last 2 weeks. So this shows, always be wary. If there's any free mints, free token claims or anything, be super careful. Double check with all the scam warning sites, double check the Discords, the other X accounts. The Abstract ecosystem account warned about the Abstract account being hacked. So yeah, always be careful. And that all being said, let me know how much experience points you got last week or throughout the last weeks, and what you're currently focusing on in the Abstract ecosystem. Now, that all being said, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.